Indices. Indices, you have learned about power of numbers such as first power of 2, second power of 2, third power of 2 in previous grades. The value of these powers can be obtained as follows. Is the first power of 2 is 2, second power of 2 is 2 of these, then is 2 times 2, 4. Third power of 2 is 3 times 2. Uh, 3 times 2 mean these 2 have to write it in 3 times. So then when you multiply 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. You have also learned about powers of algebraic symbols such as uh, first power of x, second power of x, third power of x. These can be expanded and written as follows. First power of x means 1x. Second power of x means you have to write x 2 times. Then x squared. This is x squared. Third power of x means then you have to write x 3 times. So then this is the way to write the expanded form of this algebraic expression. Moreover, you have learned how to write the expanded form of a product of powers of algebraic symbols and numerical values. For example, second power of 5 and third power of A and the second power of B is written in the expanded forms as follows. Now, second power of 5, when you write it in the expanded form, twice you have to write 5. Twice you have to write 5. Then the third power of A means 3 times you have to write A. Then the second power of B means you have to write 3 times. 2 times you have to write B. So you also learned that the power of a product such as x, y in brackets squared then can be expressed as a product of powers as x squared and y squared, because now when you write like that, instead of writing a x squared and y squared, so we put because these two squared is common, second power is common. So in brackets we put brackets and write the two outside. So it means then 2 of x and y 2 of y. And the power of a quotient such as we can write like this: x squared and y squared can be expressed as a quotient of power x squared y squared. This is a different question, and this is a different question. Do the following review exercise to recall what you have learned in previous grade regarding indices. Evaluate the following. You can expand it, you can write this in expanded form. Write 2 in 5 times, negative 3 in twice. Now when you simplify, evaluate this. Now here negative 3 multiply negative 3 in indices. Now here positive negative equals negative positive. So then 3 times 3 9. Now here the negative 4 and negative 4 twice, then negative positive 4 times 4 16. Now this one 2. Now 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. Okay. So that's easy. You can do all this. And here, uh, third power of 4 means if for negative 4, you have to write it 3 times. Let me do that also, then easy for you. Now negative, negative, positive. Negative multiply negative become positive. The positive multiply negative is equal negative. Don't forget that. Uh, Now here 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4. Number 6 times 4, 24. 4 times 1, 4 and 2 is 6. 64 equal negative 64. Okay, you understood now. Let me explain the concept. Now here, negative and negative, negative, what we should do? Negative. When you add negative, add negative, then it's you have to add it. Negative, negative, add it. But it doesn't change the symbol. Now, when you put negative and the positive, then you cannot add it. Then you have to minus it. But change the biggest number symbol only we have to use it. This kind of, I will give you this separate exercise, separate work for you. Otherwise, you will not understand. Now, negative multiply negative, negative multiply negative is positive. Then the positive multiply negative becomes negative. Okay, go to next one. Product of power with the same base. Now expand and write. We do that also. Expand and write. Write each of the following expression as a product. So you can write this in a expanded form too. To multiply a multiply a. Okay, then this is the way to expand. Write it in expanded form. Now product of power with the same base. Third power of 2 and the fifth power of 2 are two powers with the same base. They can be expanded and written as follows. Now here, the base is this 2. These are the base is these 2. Base is 2. these in these powers, the base is same. Then you can write this as an expanded form, third power of 2. Then you have to write 2 in 3 times, then the 5 in the 5 times. Let us obtain the product of two powers. Now when you have what you should do, now third power of 2 multiply fifth power of 2, what you should do. Now you can write it in expanded form like this. The three and two you can write it in 3 times. Then the 2 you can write it in 5 times. What you should do, you have to add all together. Then is 8 power of 2. So then instead of writing in the expanded form, you can just edit it. So then if the base is same, then you can just add 3 plus 5, 8. 2 is repeatedly multiplied 3 times into third power of 2. Furthermore, 2 is repeatedly multiplied 5 times in fifth power of 2. Therefore, when multiplying third power of 2, second power of the fifth power of 2 is repeatedly multiplying 3 plus 5 is 8 times. Then now this is called power and this is called exponent. These two exponent you can add it. These two, write it here because the power is same. 2 right here, 3 plus 5, 2, 8. The 8 power of 2. It is important to remember that when two powers are multiplied, the indices can be added only if they have the same base. If they have the same base, we can add the indices. When we can add the exponent. Then the base of the power that is obtained also this common base. Let us obtain the product of x, third power of x and x fifth power of x. Accordingly, since third power of x and fifth power of x have the same base, the two indices added to get the product x third power and fifth power 8 x. This can be expressed as a law of indices A and M. This is the equation. You have to remember it. A, M and N. That means add these two A, M plus N. That's what we have learned already. So then this is the law of indices. Now, let us understand how the law is used to simplify expression by considering same example. Simplify the following. X second power of x and fifth power of x and 1 power of x. So add all that, 2, 5 and 1. Then when you add it all that, 8 power of x. Then the second one, second power of a, b, second power of b, second power of a, third power of b. Now, is these two are like algebraic expressions, like indices. So second power of a and the second power of a, write it together. Then the second power of b and the third power of b, write it together. Then when you can add these two, 2 and 2, 4. Then you can add these two, 5. Fourth power of A and fifth power of B. Two x squared and plus 3x, fifth power of 3x. So then you can write this in expanded form. 2, write it here, second power of x. 3, write it here, fifth power of x. Here 2 and 3, 2 and 3 like bases, so you can write it here like numbers, so you can write it here together. Then second power of x and fifth power of x. Uh, you can base is equal, so you can write this. You can add the exponent. 2 times 3 is 6. Then add the exponent. 2 plus 5, 7. Okay, then this one also same example. Same example. So we have done it. Now we can do the exercise 12.1 and show me the books tomorrow. Um, show me the books tomorrow. Then once